Good morning, everybody. This is where I interview just anybody and everybody that have been on a whole food plant-based diet and had some good results. And today we have Stella.
Hello there.
Hello there. All right. So how long have you been whole food?
Absolutely perfectly whole foods for about 2 years now.
2 years. And before that?
Before that, on and off.
On and off.
On and off,
Okay.
yeah.
And so what caused you to become whole food plant-based?
So what caused me to become completely whole food plant-based was actually for major health reasons. I lost my husband, and I didn't go back to eating meat or that sort of thing, but I ate bags of chips and candy and garbage and
Plant-based junk.
plant-based junk.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely, the worst thing. And my blood pressure consistently ran about 110, actually about 160 to over 110. I was sick. I felt terrible. I brain fog, and so one day, and I went to the doctor. I'd gained weight. I just was miserable. So I went to the doctor, and she put me on a beta blocker for my blood pressure because she said I was going to explode one of these days. And about the third day, I woke up from that with my hands and feet so swollen, I looked like an alien had invaded me.
Wow.
And so I just decided then that I was killing myself, and for what reason? You know, there was so much more to look forward to in life, grandchildren, children, everything else. So I threw away my pills, and I wrote my doctor this big long letter stating I was going 100% plant-based. I'd thrown my pills away. I was going to get out every day, or at least 5 to 6 days a week, and walk and change my whole lifestyle. And I wrote the letter. I got in my car and drove it to her office and gave it to her front office person. And I told her if that didn't work, I would be getting in touch with her. But I have not gotten in touch with her. I'll tell you, within 5 days, there was a significant difference.
In
5 days, within 2 weeks, it's as if I am consistently blood pressure 131 over 74, heart rate 68 and strong. I dropped immediately 14 pounds. I just can't tell you how much healthier and better I feel. I walk every day, at least 5 to 6 days a week. I walk an hour in the mornings usually, maybe sometimes a little bit in the evenings too. But I just cannot tell you how much better I feel. It's a wonderful way to live a good life. Yeah.
And what benefits have you received? I think you sort of went over
I sort
those.
of did. But it's also, it isn't just even physically all the wonderful benefits of weight loss and um, better health numbers when you go to the doctor, but it's also mental. I find have a lot more clarity. And of course, as I age, I appreciate any clarity I can get.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yeah, it's just so much better than it ever has been except for my young life.
Here's the question I ask everybody. How has it affected your energy level?
Oh my word. Well, for one thing, I will tell you this. I most of the time go to bed early and I get up early. And I'll tell you, I go until I go down in the evenings and get ready for bed.
Yeah.
Yeah, my energy level is so much better than it
I have
was.
never met anybody, never mind interviewed, I've never met anybody that doesn't have more energy.
Oh, it's amazing. Well, when
Yeah.
you don't carry the weight and you're not bogging down
Well,
your system.
I think also we're designed to eat this food.
Oh, we're definitely designed to eat this food. We were made to eat this type of food. Yes.
Do you miss any of the food you used to eat?
I don't.
I love it.
I don't. I did for a long time think about sour cream, but as time,
Really?
yes, it was so funny. But probably for the last year and a half, the thoughts of even doing that, I wouldn't. I just could. I don't think about any of it anymore.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have you been ever tempted to fall off the wagon?
No,
Absolutely.
I have not. No, no.
All right. So this is a good, quick, short interview. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
If you were going to give suggestions to someone that's thinking about going on the whole food plant-based diet, like we had somebody at lunch today, or is on it and is sort of having trouble with it, what advice would you give?
Don't make it complicated. I did that at first too. You think you have to do and figure out all these diets and things that you should eat or you shouldn't eat. Don't make
Yeah.
it complicated. Just get online
Yes.
and watch some of the
Educate
YouTube.
yourself.
Educate yourself for
Yes.
sure. That it's very simple. We sometimes
It
make
is.
it's very
It
simple.
is.
It's very simple.
Yeah. Keep
Yeah.
it simple,
Keep
stupid.
it simple, that's for sure.
Thank you. I really
You're very
appreciate it.
welcome. I appreciate you asking.
Thank you.